today, guys, I am on Red Baron again. And we're going to a meetup regarding something I'll tell you about on the way.
Here comes the rider in red.
All right. Damn, this guy's beautiful. Let me first adjust my music volume. And we shall go. I don't know why, but at this time of the day, and then being in the traffic, makes me feel cozy, man. Goes to show how much I'm actually a megapolis, very urban type person. I don't imagine living in the rural areas. I'll give you that. But speaking of the rural areas, my friend is trying to do a bit of a meetup, but a very, very unexpected and on a very short notice meetup against some, political issues here. I'd say not even political, but more like something to do with the ecology and the politics. That should sum up. And truth be told, I don't want to get into it because I honestly am trying to stay out of politics after having so many years of experience in there. Oh my god, look at the cars though here. These guys are gonna wait for a while, man. They're gonna wait for a while. See, the only reason I'm driving slowly is because some of these idiots sometimes decide to get on the front, oncoming, just like this asshole. Just like this asshole. What a bunch of idiots, I swear. See, I feel like that is such an offensive thing to do. Like, you're so much smarter and better. And look at this piece of shit. See, that's why I'm riding slow right now. Because you never know when an asshole decides to just pull out in front of you. Man, this doesn't look good though. And we're finally free. Finally free, you guys. Except I got this cab driver. But, I'll overtake at some point. So I don't even know if many people are gonna show up or not. Or if it's gonna be like a little, us and the gang type deal. Oh well, we'll see. Alright, I think I got an opening. You know what? I never liked group rides to begin with. It turns into a shit show real fast. And people don't know what to do or where to ride, and if the litter is not very good, Man, it's so dark, I wonder if you guys can see anything. These are the guys who think they're gonna be bypassing basically a lot of traffic in the downtown by taking this route. Little do they know the amount of cars that is waiting on the other side of the gorge at the exit there. And the guy should be here. Except, there we go. Not gonna lie, I imagined a little more than 3 bikes. Little more than that. Oh, let's just go say hi.
Bruh, the worst location you could have picked. Let's do this and then this. There we go. Hello. Have we met before?
Yeah, I don't remember.
You've changed your hair.
Okay, now it's...
Fair enough, right?
Alright, let's see how this goes, and I hope you guys can see something in this darkness. Our if we're gonna be riding like this, Baron's not gonna love this. Man, we've been riding 10 minutes already and Baron is not loving this for sure. Trying to hype everyone up, but I don't think this is working. Baron, we're gonna get a good ride soon. People are looking at me thinking I'm like on cocaine or something, man.
Hello. Yeah, it's good.
Not gonna lie, I don't think his flag is even that visible to begin with.
3 weeks later.
Man, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this, guys. Give us some air, man. Come on, ride faster, you guys. My bike is not enjoying this. I'm not enjoying this either.
Yo, come after me.
I ain't about to sit in a fucking traffic because screw that, man. This bike was not made for sitting in the traffic. It was made for filtering. This isn't even filtering. This is just kindly getting on the front without hurting anybody. Look at this.
Many months later.
And we're sitting in traffic again. We're sitting in damn traffic.
Tomorrow.
Might as well check my notifications, right? If we're gonna sit in traffic, that is. Nobody's communicating either. Everybody's just... Will anybody at least give me one of these? Give me one of those! Oh, hell yeah. I keep telling her, we're gonna get a good riding. Boy, do I wish that.
1 eternity later.
If you don't like sitting in traffic, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Chaboy and help me sit less in the traffic. Hello.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, gonna be soon passing by the crowd that my friend wanted to pass by that are protesting the whatever they're protesting. Who cares, right? Who cares? We've been sitting in fucking 15 minutes in traffic and I'm pissed. I'm royally pissed.
Now I'm pissed. Royally pissed.
I don't think we should be going there. انتقن کنم مارگت زاخیر میاسره. Let's just go. Nimo.
Getting real frustrated, you guys. Real frustrated. Not gonna lie, but God damn it, am I pissed right now.
However, I am pissed. Royally pissed. Indeed. All right.
Why are we doing another circle right into the fucking heaviest traffic of the day, man? Also, I was about to fucking get hit on my Agusta because of some wrong blinkers and wrong turns that some of the guys took. Jesus, man. If that would have happened, I'd fucking murder anybody who would have been touching my bike. I swear to God. Alright, at this point, I don't... Whoa, holy shit, that was a copper. You know what? I don't give a shit at this point. We've been sitting in traffic for so long, my bike has been freaking complaining. Oh, those were our guys? I don't care. I need air. Red Baron needs air as well. Man, am I not enjoying this right now? I mean, this is better than earlier. Because you guys saw we were sitting there for like fucking 2 hours in the traffic, man. But I mean... just talk about having a bad mood. I think what I'll do is call up my sweetheart and see if she's up for coffee or something, because I need to vent to someone. I need to vent to someone.
6 hours later.
All right, you guys. Back from a nice coffee, kind of date break, whatever. The girl is already gone, but she was amazing to invite me for a coffee. And that cheered me up a lot, because the whole day has been... oh. So, I have one more promise to do, which is... I really know that Red Baron didn't enjoy the ride earlier today, so we're gonna make it up to her.
Now this is what I'm talking about. This bike was made for riding fast, not 40 kilometers per hour, dude. I am hyped up again. Now that's some proper riding, you guys. Gotta say, whoever was with me doing the coffee, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You, girl. Thanks for the croissant and the café. And of course, your company actually really cheered me up. You can tell I'm hyped again, which is good. I'm gonna ride back home, take a nice fast road. Here we go, boys. You hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this. I usually don't rant through my videos, except when they make me do it.